The Naija Senate don approve the 2025 Statutory Appropriation Bill for Federal Capital Territory (FCT) as dem pass am for third reading. The total money wey dem approve reach N1.814 trillion. Dis bill come after dem adopt the harmonized report wey Senate and House committees on FCT prepare together as Senator Ibrahim Bomai and Honourable Mukhtar Betara Aliyu lead the two sides. Dem first introduce the budget on May 14, 2025 and the lawmakers check am wella before dem sharparly pass am.
The overhead, which comprises constitutes 19.41% of the total budget, while the personnel costs constitute 8.29% of the budget. So the total recurrent of the budget is 27.69, while the total capital is 72.31%. Out of the 72.31%, 85% of the capital is dedicated to ongoing projects. So only 50% of the capital is for new projects.
Our Tori person Rose Njago yarn say for plenary, senators hail the budget, say e get better focus on capital projects as over 72% go for infrastructure development. Senator Tahir Munguno yarn say the budget makes sense wella and encourage other levels of government to copy this kind smart approach. Senator Jim Kuta still talk say the budget include everybody, say e no leave anybody behind.
I will commend this policy to all tiers of government, particularly the federal government, to emulate what is happening in FCT by trying as much as possible to deploy 70% of the expenditure to capital projects rather than going into recurrent expenditure.
Senate President Godswill Akpabio still yarn say good planning are key to better budget and successful development.
Pray that the kind of development that we are seeing here will dovetail into other areas of Nigeria. It is now my privilege to pray that the budget pass will not only benefit the capital expenditure of FCT, will also benefit the human development of the residents of FCT and lead to influx of foreign direct investment into Nigeria, whilst giving Nigeria a better global image in the community of state and national capitals across the world.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ohifeme Onosinwa, TMC News.